Let's make some peri peri chicken in the air fryer. We'll start with the marinade. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, oregano, lemon and herb marinade, peri peri, a medium marinade. This is Nando's peri peri rub garlic. So I'm just gonna add a tablespoon. I bought this from Asda. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or potato starch. Mix everything. Some salt. That's your marinade. Now I've got about 1 kg of chicken drumsticks. You can use whatever chicken you've got. I'm gonna pour the marinade over this. Coat the chicken very well with the marinade. I'm gonna leave this in the fridge for about an hour or 2 hours. So I left the chicken in the fridge for about 2 hours and now I'm gonna air fry it. Place the chicken in your air fryer basket. This is gonna go in the air fryer for about 20 minutes to 100 degrees Celsius. It's been like 15 minutes and at this time what you're gonna do is take the peri peri sauce, any flavor that you like, any brand that you like, brush it on the chicken, put it back in the air fryer and finish cooking it off. Now flip the chicken, brush the peri peri sauce again on this side, and this is gonna go back in the air fryer for just 5 more minutes because the chicken is cooked. Chicken is ready.